Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana and this channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful buttercream footline cake. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. beautiful cake. Very simple to make. Basically is you crumb coat your cake with buttercream. By the way, my previous video was about my buttercream recipe that I use in almost all my videos. So if you haven't checked that out, then go ahead, and I'll actually put the link down below so you have access to it. But I did first crumb coat my cake of buttercream, then I did a second coat of buttercream, pop it in the freezer just to make sure that the buttercream is hard. So then I put the stencil on top of the cake, and then I spread a whatever color that you want of buttercream into the creases of the stencil. To do the second layer on top, don't go ahead and do it right away. You're gonna ruin the whole entire cake. What you need to do is, once you've done that, you're gonna pop it in the freezer and make sure that it's really, the buttercream has set. And then you're gonna go ahead and then do the top part. That's how to do it when it's 2-layer with a stencil. If your stencil is the whole entire length of your cake, then you don't have to do that, obviously. But my stencil was smaller, it was shorter. So then, yeah, you have to go ahead and then you process it like that. So make sure that you cover your cake with your stencil, spread buttercream, and then freeze it, bring it back, and then you do the top the same way, making sure that you're aligning the stencil to the design. A little trick that I have is I always use toothpick on each corner to make sure that everything is nice and flat to the cake. And that's how I go about with my buttercream stenciling. Very simple to make. And then what I did is that I just created a design on the side, which would be my fault line design, and then finished it off with beautiful fresh flowers and also synthetic. So at the back is synthetic and the front is fresh flowers. What I did is that I covered them with a floral tape to make sure that the stem doesn't get in contact with my actual cake, and it makes it food safe. So that's for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.